Hey folks, it's Steve with Prima Coffee. Today we're going to take a look at how to backflush your Astoria Plus4You espresso machine. Backflushing is an essential part of daily maintenance. It's something that you do in order to run some detergent through the brew path, make sure that the coffee oils, the little bits of grounds, all that stuff is swept away so everything's nice and clean and your parts aren't going to wear out quite as quickly. In order to backflush, we need a couple of different things. The first is a blind or backflush disc. This is basically just a basket that has no holes in it, as distinct from one of our baskets that does have the perforated holes in it. Now this is used to add a little bit of detergent and as well as provide back pressure to the system and allow for flushing to happen back through. In order to get this set up, the first thing we need to do is we're going to hold the left button on our control panel for a few seconds until the auto backflush prompt starts. Now when I do this, there's a couple things to keep in mind. The first is that I can't exit out of this now. I have to complete the backflush cycle. So make sure that you're really committing to backflushing when you do that. There's a reason it takes a few seconds to get into that menu, and then the only way to progress or exit out is to actually go through the backflushing process. And you do have to complete it on each group head. So if you have a 2 or 3 group machine, you got to do it on every group in order to finish the process. My next step is to get some backflush detergent. So I have a bit of a container here. I have a little scoop on one of these group head brushes. I'm just going to take a scoop of detergent. You don't need a whole lot. We'll just add it to the basket like so. And then we'll lock this guy in. And then following the prompts, all I need to do, I've added my detergent. Now I just press the program and stop button. And this will start the first phase of backflushing, which is basically like pulsing water and then stopping, and you'll hear it cut off. And that's what it's doing, is it's kind of wetting the detergent, building up some pressure, and then when it stops, all of that detergent flushes back through the 3-way solenoid and the brew path, and that's what's doing a lot of that cleaning action for you. So it's going to run a few cycles. You can actually go into the deep programming and set how many cycles you would like to do. It's basically 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. Factory set, I believe, to 5 cycles. And then after this stage, there's a rinsing stage, what they call a swilling phase. So once we're done through in the washing process, we'll take the portafilter out, we'll hit the prog stop button again. It will tell you to remove the filter. And now we can rinse. So we're going to run the swilling. We can rinse out our backflush disc and portafilter. We can even use this opportunity to take our brush, wipe everything down, get everything nice and clean and ready to close out the day. We'll take, once this process is complete, we'll repeat it on the other side. Make sure every group gets a nice bit of detergent through it, wash everything clean, take care of some scrubbing and some swilling, and then you're all set to close down for the day. So that is backflushing on the Astoria Plus4You. Thanks for watching.